Can you say hi to Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. How about a kiss? Can you give Grandma a kiss?
Professor Quigley here.
Yeah.
Time to build words.
That was great, honey.
Put 3 letters into the word whammer.
Kiss again.
Build your own word. Put the first
That's
letter
great.
in the spot with the blinking
How about a
light.
hug? I don't know if we might be pushing it, but how about a hug? Hug. You're so cute. She's gonna love it. To dance? Yeah, give her a dance. Dance! Sienna, can you dance for Grandma? That's it! Dance one more time. How about we put some music? That's oh, that's kind of heavy. Oh, that's kind of heavy too. Where's Mason? No, he's not in there. Oh. I don't know if we should mess up Big Brother's room when he's not home.